We're starting in Point of Rocks. This depot behind me is considered one of the most picturesque depots in the United States. Also, we're gonna bring you to a town where it is claimed to be the most painted town in America by artists. And hopefully we'll see some bald eagles soaring through the air. So let's go riding.
Let's go riding.
Here we go. It's gorgeous already. It looks like it's paved, but it's not. It's just crushed gravel, compacted.
Don't hit it.
We're not gonna hurt ya. Oh, he's coming towards me. Boy, he looks very prehistoric. You can stay here at this lock house. There's no electricity. There's no heat. The fireplace doesn't work. There's a toilet right there, the outhouse. You can kind of see it, a porta potty. And they don't supply sheets or pillows. But you can stay here for $110.
No way.
Just like, but it's a piece of history.
Oh, look, that's kind of cool.
This is a crazy story. C&O Canal Company and its arch rival, the B&O Railroad, they all wanted this land. In fact, they went to court and it took about 4 years to decide who was going to get the land. 4 years, and then finally it was decided that they could both actually have this land. They both could share the land, and that's what happened. We're in Brunswick. They named it Brunswick after the German town because there's a lot of German immigrants. Church that turned into a cafe. Pretty cool. A bike shop if you need some repairs or flat tire. That was Brunswick. Here's a boxcar, local burgers and beer and ice cream. It's so smooth here and level. It's not strenuous, I think.
No, it's easy. Very beautiful ride.
Very easy, very pleasant.
Very relaxing.
Yeah. Horses on the trail. The canal on the right side, the Potomac River on the left, the beautiful foliage. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, you can smell the fresh water. The bald eagle soaring over the Potomac River. There's more traffic when you get towards Harpers Ferry. But from Point of Rocks to Brunswick, there's very light traffic. There's Harpers Ferry. We're coming to it. I see this steeple.
You're never too old to go bike riding.
In order for us to get to Harpers Ferry, you have to lift up your bike over the stairs. That's true. We could have locked it, but we want to ride around.
John Brown used the towpath of the C&O Canal on the night of October 16th, 1859, he assembled his men at about 8:30 at night. There were 22 of them, including John Brown, and with 11 words, he would change America forever. He said, "Men, get on your arms, we will proceed to the ferry." And his men got behind John Brown, who was on a wagon, and they left about 7 miles from here, at what is now the Kennedy Farm, and came down the canal. And they crossed right here, about 11:30. And that would be, by many estimations, the Spartan start of the Civil War.
Jefferson said, "The view is worth a voyage across the Atlantic." And it really was. So hope to see you riding.